The Vivo X200 Pro Mini is now official in China. It's the smallest flagship phones with next-gen flagship specs. This 6.31-inch smartphone also brings a Zeiss triple-camera setup on the rear and a relatively large 5,700 mAh battery. Vivo has officially launched the X200 series in China. The lineup consists of 3 phones, and they are the first to feature the next-gen Dimensity 9400 chipset. Among the 3 phones, the X200 Pro Mini is the most interesting one, as it brings fully fledged flagship specs in a small form factor. More specifically, it features a 6.31-inch screen, making it the smallest in the series. Even with a small form factor, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini packs a large 5,700 mAh. In comparison, the Pixel 9 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, both of which have 6.3-inch displays, come with 4,700 mAh and 3,582 mAh battery, respectively. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini doesn't cut corners in terms of the camera either. It has the same camera setup as the larger-sized Pro model. That means the small-sized flagship has a Sony Light 818 primary camera, a 200-megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. Among these cameras, the 200-megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto camera is the same one that was in the X100 Ultra. On the front, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini has a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. All the cameras are powered by Vivo's V3 Plus imaging chip, which, again, is the same chip as the X100 Ultra. On the note of the front, the new Dimensity flagship phone has a 6.31-inch LTPO screen. This OLED display has an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness rating of 4,500 nits, and a resolution of 2640 by 1,260 pixels. Other notable aspects of the X200 Pro Mini are 30 watts wireless charging and 90 watt wired charging support, IP68 and IP69 ratings, and Android 15 based Origin OS 5. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.